designs. He's the one who does all the designs.
Against the
Aliaba.com/blog, right? That's Andrew, Ria Jose, Migs, and Winston. So that's us organizing it.
Against the
We
light.
are actually a PR agency of sorts. We do new media, and like one of our clients is another PR agency, and we do online promotions for their clients. So yeah, man, actually, we do that as part of our work. And thanks very much. Thank you very much. Somebody please record what Matt said.
Can you repeat that again?
Anyway, let's get back. Let's get back.
Mic stand is kind of
Bong?
cool. I feel like I could do. Have you ever seen James Brown perform? Like the cool things with the mic stand, where the push it in. Not this one.
Woo!
But someday.
Yeah.
You had a question right over there.
Good evening. I'm Bong Segovia. I would like to know what your other passions are besides
What are
work-related
your
work.
other passions?
Sure. So besides
I'd
work,
like to know the person. Thank you.
so interesting. So I actually didn't go to school for computers or anything like that. I studied political science to law school. I didn't finish. I dropped out, so I can't finish that. Um, I guess my passions even before that. So think back. I went to performing arts high school, which means instead of a strong focus on academics or sports or anything like
Oh?
that, we did 3 to 5 hours
Ako
of
yung
art
magtanong
every
yan.
week. To me, that was jazz stuff. So if you'd asked me 7 years ago what I was going to be when I grew up, I would have said, jazz saxophonist.
Ay, may
And that was
girlfriend na.
pretty cool, and that's really what I thought I was going to do. How I got into the whole computer thing is that I was making websites for the local jazz musicians in exchange
Nagalubat
for
na ako.
commissions, because I couldn't really afford the music. It was a good part